Yo, what up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm GlenReacts. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the last week's reaction. I know I did. Oh man, I enjoy every reaction I put out, and I hope you guys do too. So please make sure to like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe. Seriously means a lot to me that you do. Today we're going to be reacting to a K-pop group. So I want to apologize for whoever watched my Baby Metal video because I did not know K-pop was a J-pop group, Japanese metal, I should say. I thought it was a K-pop group because people told me this information. I believed it and I did not do some research behind it. So I want to apologize in this video for it. I know it took a while and it's been 4 months, but I haven't done an apology. But I figure now that we're actually doing a K-pop group, I want to apologize about calling Baby Metal a K-pop group. So we're doing a K-metal group. What's it gonna be? You're gonna have to see. All right, let's get right into the reaction. All right, guys, this is the video we're gonna be reacting to of the K-metal group. It's called Fearless by Rolling Quartz. All right, let's get our reaction on.
제발 착각 좀 하지 마. 같지 않은 네 생각 따윈 난 웃어버려. Am I bad? Maybe not. I don't care how you feel. 그저 널 갖고 놀기엔 충분한 midnight. 더 많은 선물해 그냥 그렇게 날 계속 증거해. 너도 똑같아 널 바꿀 생각 따윈 없어. Tonight 끝없이 뛰어드는 thriller.
So far, seems pretty good. Pretty good flow, pretty good beat. Pretty interesting. I think the English subtitles are throwing me off, but I am hearing them speak, you know, English here and there. So far, pretty good. I wouldn't say as, in my opinion, when I say as wow taking as Baby Metal, but so far, you know, like their look and the sound of it's pretty good so far. Something is that kind of reminds me of like they kind of remind me of like a boy band with the way they're playing, like not like the music, but like the way they're just playing off is giving like a boy band vibe, because like, oh, look at me, and then like the way they dress, I don't know, it doesn't look all like metal-y, you know. It gives me like a boy bandish vibe. Obviously they're girls, so it'd be like a girl band vibe. I don't know. I mean, I could tell it's like kind of metal-y, but it's like, I don't know. Maybe it's the way she's singing it. It doesn't give it that metal feel. I'm like, something's missing, but it gives me like that girl band vibe with the way it is, you know. I like that segment. That segment was pretty nice with the you heard like the guitar, the other guitar, and then the drums. Like no lyrics for that moment. It sounded really good. I like that. I was like, okay. I'm feeling this. This is nice. I like this. Okay.
Good night.
See what I mean? It kind of gave off the like girl band vibe. I don't know. Like I like the sound of the song, the way they sounded with it, but I don't know if it gave off like that metal vibe with it. Like there was, you could tell like it was trying to be metally and it was going to be metally, but it's like, I don't know, maybe it's like the way like way whoever like filmed it, it gave off like a girl band, because like the way they were like posing, the way they were like dressed, and like even especially the ending, just like everyone saying like like taking in like, I mean, I know some metal bands do that in a sense too, but I don't know. Like I said, the overall vibe of just the vibe. I'm not talking about the way they're sounding, just like the way they look. It's like, it gives me such like a girl band vibe. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I don't know if it's just me. All right, guys, as you guys knew, we rate videos here either G if it was great, or we give it an L if it was lame. This one is very hard for me to do a vote on, because like I want to give it a G because it was good. Like I like the sound. The song was very good, but like I was going forward, like this was going to be a metal group, and throughout most of the song, I wasn't really like, besides some of the headbanging and like other stuff, it's like I wasn't getting the full immersive vibe of that. It was a metal group to me. It like I kept saying, it felt like a girl band to me. So we're gonna give it an or. What an or is, it's basically in between, because I can't give it a G and I can't give it an L. It's just in the middle for me. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. If you do, what's the next reaction gonna be? I don't know. You're gonna have to tune in to find out. See ya!
Thank you.